If you've been considering surgery to fix your varicose veins, finding the right provider is the most important first step. Not all vascular surgeons are the same, and there are some tough questions you should be asking before going forward. Here to explain is Dr. William Edwards from the Vein Center. Dr. Edwards, welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having me, Casey.
Well, as we know, in this day and age, there are multiple services at one location when
Right.
it comes to different procedures and treatments. So why is it so important for patients to find someone who focuses only on treating veins?
So a lot of the places that you can go now and get your varicose veins treated are med spas and other things. We have maintained our vascular surgery practice, and it's real important, I think, to get any provider that's going to treat you for your medical problems to have expertise in those problems that you have. And vascular surgeons have that expertise. They've been extra training in treatment of veins and arteries, and at our clinic we have 4 vascular surgeons, all of which have done that extra training. And we treat only vein problems at that clinic.
Okay, and of course everyone is different, so it's important to make sure you're getting the best treatment for you. So talk
Right.
about how important it is to have that thorough evaluation beforehand.
So like anything, you know, if you take in your car to get fixed, you want to know if you don't know the problem or the problem is misdiagnosed, you're not going to get the right fix.
Right.
So it's really important to get the correct diagnosis. And our vascular lab, which is how you make the diagnosis, is staffed by vascular lab techs that are registered vascular technologists, have done extra work in treating and looking at veins and being able to diagnose the problems with veins. And so we're accredited by an organization that accredits vascular labs. And so our girls are the best, and that's all they do too.
So when someone comes to the Vein Center, will you walk us through that process of the patient evaluation process? What's going to happen?
Right, so first you have to make the decision that you've got a vein problem, of course, and most people do that by simply looking at their legs. But the other reasons that you might have vein problems is aching and tired legs. So when you come to the office, we'll assess your legs first with how they look. We will then, if it's warranted, get a vascular ultrasound. That ultrasound will tell us whether your veins are working correctly or not, and then if they're not, then we'll design a treatment specifically for you and what is wrong with your veins.
Great. And you all have actually performed almost 6,000 procedures to this day. So how important is it for someone to find a local experienced provider?
So in any kind of treatment, I think that most people would say that you want to get somebody who's done this a lot of times and has a lot of experience. So I think we're the most experienced in this area.
People are getting a lot of great results from you all, and you have a special offer for folks today.
Right. For the first 10 callers, if you call our office at 269-9007, we will get a complimentary consultation or second opinion.
A great way to start. Thanks so much for being here, Dr. Edwards.
Thank you, Casey.
Hey, the Vein Center has 2 locations, one in Belmead at 615-269-9007 and another in Cool Springs at 615-503-9895. You can also find more information on their website. There's a link on the More at Midday section of WSMV.com.